and block out all this temptation. Made it out from trapping in Vegas. Took the rap game and embraced it. I don't want no regular paycheck. If it's all us, will I take it? Some things in my life changing. Just got out back to the basics.
Hey guys, what's going on? Addict Trader Effects. I am Daniel, your host for this channel, and I just want to thank y'all for stopping by. I kind of want to go over the psychology part of trading before anything else, right? Because it took me a little bit to figure out what everybody meant about 90% psychology, 10% trading, or you hear 80% psychology, 20% trading. You know, it really is very important to have your psychology straight if you're going to be a successful trader, right? So I've been trading since, first I got into trading back in January, beginning of January, and I just grinded ever since. I saw the potential money to be made. In the beginning, I guess I kind of hyped myself up saying, okay, this is it. I'm going to be rich. And so when I traded, every time I took a trade, my mentality was that I wanted to be rich. And so I tried to take every type of trade that I saw or thought that I saw, and it really messed things up. You know, it really did. It slowed the process down tremendously. Now, when you hear traders say, hey, take your time, patience is everything, it really is everything. Patience is key to this, okay? If you really think about it, the trading part of it is so simple, okay? There are signs you look for when you're trading. If you don't see that sign, there's no need to take a trade, right? And I get it. Believe me, we all want to make money. We got into this to make money, right? But slow and steady wins the race, or, you know, patience is virtue, this and that. All that is true, man. And it goes for anything in life. If you really think about it, patience is everything. Whether you're trading, whether you're working, in life in general, patience is everything, okay? When you go to the hospital, you have to wait hours sometimes, and you got to be patient, right? Because if you're not, and you leave, and you had a serious condition or something serious, and you didn't stay to get checked at because you got impatient, and now guess what? You got super sick or you died. So there's some to that effect. You get what I'm saying? I'm just trying to make it real intense, kind of, I guess you could say. But no, seriously, you guys want to be patient. You know what I mean? Like, I spent way more money trying to rush the process. Okay, and I can't say that I actually made that money, but my account at one point was floating up to $600. Had I withdrew that, I'd have made profits. You get what I'm saying? I'd have made money off the markets, and I would get so hyped in my head saying, hey, no, this ain't enough, I want more. And you chase it, and guess what? You're chasing for nothing. 1 to 2 trades, man. 1 to 2 trades, right? I got a camera here too, y'all, just so y'all know. But 1 or 2 trades, and that's all you need. Wait for your setup. Wait for confirmation. Wait for candle formation to appear. Okay? Now, I'm not sponsored by these people or this person. This is not a promotion for this book. I am just giving you, and first off, I just want to say this is not financial advice. Because just because you buy this book doesn't mean you're going to make money. You use this in confluence with other signs that are given to you in the market, right? Okay. So, you get candlestick trading patterns. It goes in detail, a little bit about psychology, a little bit of everything, right? You can get it on Amazon for $25 to $30. And these literally tell you what to look for, what setup to look for, what candlestick formation to enter the market, how to get the most out of that move, all that, right? So, and since we're on the topic of psychology, right? This is actually recommended by a lot of traders, and so I went ahead and got it. And I'm not done with it yet, to be honest with you. I'm maybe like a quarter in because I was reading the other book. But you might be thinking, okay, well, you've been in this now almost a year, right? Why are you still studying candle formation? I'll tell you why. Because repetitive is key, right? It's very important. The market repeats itself, okay? You will see the same things printed over and over and over again. And so if I'm reading or if I'm studying the same thing over and over again, it just will be embedded in my head. And when I see that form in the actual market, it becomes natural, right? Because I just kept reading the same thing over and over and over again. One thing that a lot of professional traders say is that the more you put into your craft to this, the better you get, right? The more money you make. Just because you might be getting profitable or whatever doesn't mean that your learning should stop. No, because there are traders that 5 years in are still buying courses and doing boot camps from other traders. And there ain't no pride in that. You get what I'm saying? Not if you want to make money and be successful and provide for your family, right? Kind of just want to get to the chart and kind of give you an idea of what I mean when you want to be patient and what to look for, because this is kind of part of the psychology, I guess you can say, right? So let's get right into. We have okay. So in a sense, you don't want to just jump in because everybody says, hey, when you're at support, you buy, right? No, it don't work like that. You have to wait for some type of sign from the market telling you, okay, it's gonna head or continue in that direction. So never jump the gun, okay? I know how hard it is. I've been there. I still struggle with it. Don't get it twisted. I still struggle with it, right? But you will learn in time. I guess you have to lose a lot of money or go through a really bad trading day to really take it serious, because it took me to a point where I was like, hello, no, I'm not wasting all this money no more. I'm not about to continue to do this. There has to be a way to figure it out, right? Because I know I can make money. So why am I not profitable? And the reason I wasn't profitable was because every time I seen a move, maybe like here right now, a lot of people would just jump in and say, okay, I see a W forming, right? So that means it's a double bottom, so I'm going in. Okay, and now we're on the daily right now. So we go to the 4 hour, right? I just want to give you a little example of what to look for, okay? And so if you see on the daily, it's looking like, okay, cool, it's looking bullish. But if you go down to the 4 hour, you really see that it's approaching a significant level, right? Meaning this was support here, turned to resistance, and it's consolidating. Okay. So what makes you think that it's going to continue in the up direction just because it formed a W, right? But I did that. I'm always thinking, okay, it looks like a W's forming. I want to just get in. And what happens if something goes wrong and it just drops, right? It just completely just goes the other way and it does one of these things, right? It's possible. So I would get in a trade and I'm like, man, what the heck? Not only that, you have to enter in a smaller time frame, because even though smaller time frames patterns are really not that valid, right? The higher the time frame, the more valid that pattern is, the more confident you can be in taking that trade, right? So, you go to, if you're gonna trade the daily, then you go to the 4 hour or the 1 hour to look, pretty much for your confluences, and then you go to the 15-minute for your entries, right? So don't ever just jump the gun because you think, or you assume, let me not say think, but you assume that price is gonna continue going in a direction because it formed a double top or a double bottom. Patience is key. Psychology is everything, because anybody can press a button and you might get lucky and it might go in the direction of the trade that you picked, right? But lots of times it can go the other way. And so you just gotta, if I would have just held that money and I traded, won the trade, why jump back in and risk the chance of losing everything? But if your trading plan, you got to go by your trading plan, okay? Because the psychology is not going to work without you having a trading plan. Your trading is not going to go good without trading plan and your psychology put together, okay? So what you want to do is you want to excuse me, I lost my thoughts. All right, so you kind of want to just want to go ahead and take your time and not rush into trades, okay? Listen, y'all, be patient. Take your time with it. Don't rush the process. All right, y'all. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking my channel out. Please, I don't really like being that dude, but I do kind of want to get my content out there to help a lot of people out. So if you wouldn't mind giving this a thumbs up and hit the like button for me and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that, y'all. And yeah, I will be having a lot more content coming out. I am new to this, so I am shy, but I'll get it figured out. All right, y'all. Have a safe trading week, and yeah, see you later.
My location, somebody hood, I just can't shake it. Gotta stay away from Satan and block out all his temptation. Made it out from trapping in Vegas to the rap game and embraced it.